Hello my friends and welcome to another Tuesday of tutorial. I am Leonardo Perez Nieto and today we will draw a bald eagle on an iPad using the program Procreate. Let's begin by choosing the color for the background, which will be a blue, a slightly greenish blue, which we will use for the sea. And now on layer 1 we choose a sepia, which is a dark brown, to sketch the bird. In this case I begin blocking in the overall shape of the wings and the body. For almost all the drawing I will be using the hard blend brush, which is in the airbrush menu. Then the head. And the legs will go down here. This eagle will be fishing. She's about to catch a big fish. I think the head and the body may be a little bit too high in relation to the wing. So let's select it and then lower it a little bit. If I were drawing with a pencil, I would rather have erased the wing to correct it. That would have been easier. On a new layer, and with the darker blue, we will draw the surface of the sea, a wave. By the way, I invite you to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at ArtistLeonardo to check out what is new. I'll mix a new color, a lighter blue for the sky, and drop it in that whole area, like so. Now with a much lighter one, and with a soft airbrush, we draw some clouds. And I'll erase this part because it shouldn't have been there. There was probably a better way to do this on the iPad, on Procreate, which was using a mask. It would have been a little faster, but erasing is okay too. Now we draw some darker lines on the upper part of the wave and on the surface. Good, now let's draw some bubbles of different sizes. I like it how it is looking, but let's darken a little bit more the top. On a new layer and with the brown, let's draw the fish. It will have a lighter belly or underneath and darker on top. With some dots. The feathers of the head are white. Of course, most of them will be in shade, so we draw them gray. Good, and the wings and the body are brown. I am basing this drawing on a photo I found on Pixabay, a site where you can download photos with rights to copy them. This area under the wing catches the most shadow, so let's make it very dark. And this area catches more light. Now let's paint the legs. Here again, of course, the areas facing to the left and up will be lighter, and the ones to the right and down darker. Now it is time to refine and correct the shape of the beak and the head. I think it should be wider on top, especially the neck. Now the eye. We make an almost circular oval with a light yellow and a dark center. Then we create some shadows around it. The spot right under the eye may catch some light. And let's draw some feathers with short lines of different values. The beak will be yellow with the same treatment of light and shadow, and I'll make it just a little bit shorter. I'll select and move the fish a little bit higher and forward because it seemed the eagle was going to miss him. Let's draw the paws. They have huge hooked claws. It must be really hard to escape from them. Let's draw the claws of the other paw. I have a very important question for you. Would you be interested in me posting a long version of some of my videos to be seen on Patreon with a Patreon membership? If you are, please do let me know in the comments. Thank you. And let's draw the tail, which is white but mostly in shade. We can add some subtle, small feather lines to the legs and chest. Let's darken some of the feathers over here. And if you got all the way to this point, I would love to know it. Please in the comments write me the secret code, the best fisher. And it's ready. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, subscribe to Fine Art Tips if you haven't done so already, click on the little bell to get notifications of new videos, and I will see you with more creations on Tuesday.